Today we are going to use a number line with positive and negative integers. What is an integer? An integer can be three things. It can be 0, it can be a positive number, and it can also be a negative number. However, it has to be a whole number, and you can note below on the number line there are no decimals or fractions. Let's look at the number line below. This number line ranges from -12 through to +12. And we have our 0 in the centre, which is neither negative nor positive. On the left-hand side of our 0, we have our negative numbers, where the further a number is from 0, the smaller it is. And on the right-hand side of our 0, we have our positive numbers, whereas in this instance, the further a number is from 0, the larger it is. Now we're going to use our number line to compare numbers, and we're going to do this using the greater than or less than symbol. So I'm going to put some numbers down. Okay, so we'll start by comparing 4 with -4. Now 4 is actually greater than -4 because it's on the right hand side. Remember how we said before, the closer a number is to the right, the larger it is. So 4 is greater than -4. Now the reason I'm saying greater is imagine that this symbol here is alligator teeth. They will always eat the larger figure. Let's compare the next numbers. -10 compared to -2. Now -10 is actually less than -2 because it is further to the left. So -10 is less than -2. Remember, alligator teeth, larger quantity. We're going to compare 2 with -6. Now 2 is greater than -6 because it's further to the right. Compare 0 and 4. 4 is greater than 0, or 0 is less than 4. If we're going left to right. Let's compare 1, which isn't on this number line. Good to know. Adding it in now with -8. Now 1 is actually larger than -8 because it's further on the right hand side. So 1 is greater than -8. And that is how you use a number line with positive and negative integers.